Smart Security Tools is a new plugin from Smart Plugins, and this time it is used to improve WordPress website security. As you can see on the front panel, you see the list of tools and tweaks included with this plugin, and different panels you can go to, and you have a brief security overview showing currently 33% of security is currently available for this website. So and this number is based on the tweaks and tools included in this plugin. So based on what is currently active, only 33% is this website secure. You can start by opening this security advisor, and you will see recommended and optional tips, and some of them are green, gray or red. All these in green are okay, and this shows us that for instance WordPress version is currently latest one, and you don't need to do anything about it, and also we don't have username admin. These two in gray are currently in gray because we are doing this on the local website. This will work only if you use this plugin on a live website, because to get malware and blacklist status we are using Sucuri free scanner, and it cannot work on local hosts. So if these two are taken into account, you will see different results. Now we have some recommended tweaks that you should enable, and for each one you have one or more options on how to do it. So for instance, to enable this blacklist query strings, you need to go on this panel and enable blacklist query strings tweak, and the same goes for all the others. Some of the tweaks have additional information included, so you can check that out. Some are optional. Once you improve your security, this number here will go higher. As I said, this calculation is based only on the tweaks and tools included in this plugin, nothing else. So you can start by scanning your website. If you try to do it on a local host, you will get this message. Let's enter some other link here. And you will get information about many things on your website, but most important is malware and blacklisted. So this website is not containing any malware, or it is blacklisted, and it is deemed clear by all these websites and authorities for website security. Okay, let's go on the another panel. This time is a general tweaks panel, and most tweaks contain various information you need to know. Some of the tweaks are also included in Smart Admin Tweaks plugin, but since they are security related, they are duplicated here also. That's 4 tweaks here. So total you have 10 tweaks available. Next is htaccess tweaks. This will work only on Apache servers, and it should work on light speed servers because they are compatible with Apache. And you need to have location for htaccess writable. File can be there, or maybe it's missing, it doesn't matter. It's important that root folder for WordPress installation is writable, and plugin can attempt to create this file. Currently this file looks like this, and we will see how it will be after we apply some of the tweaks. Each tweak contains information, additional information you need to know about it, and some of them have settings. So this one has a list of files to protect, this one has IPs to ban. On advanced tab, this one has a limit you need to set, and so on. On 5G blacklists, we have four tweaks created by Jeff Starr from Perishable Press, and you can stick with the rules he created, or you can expand and make changes to them, but you must know what you are doing, because if you create some rules that are not valid, you can lock yourself out from the website, or your website can generate errors or redirects for valid URLs also. So if you're not sure what you're doing, stick to this predefined set of rules and you will be fine. If you make some changes and you cause problems by that, you can always use reset to default option here to reset list of rules for each of the tweaks. Before you can apply changes, you need to enable some of the tweaks. Let's say we want these three enabled. We save settings, and now you can review the code. This is what will be added by the plugin. So if you want to do it manually, you can do it by pasting this into htaccess in your root WordPress directory. And if you already have section looking like this, so beginning with this and ending with this, you need to replace it by this one. Or you can click apply. You should read the instructions here to make sure that you don't do anything wrong, and save. If you open the file now, you will see changes we added are here. It is important to read all the information available to make sure that tweaks you have added are exactly what you need, and not to make some problems with all that. Let's enable these two also. Saving first and applying. File is a bit bigger now, and if you go to Security Advisor after this, you will see that it looks much better now, and we have a security percentage of 70%. You don't need to enable all tweaks. It's recommended that you have everything on the recommended page active, so you will get maximum security points from that, and optional elements are up to you. As for the settings, you can disable apply button on htaccess, so you will always need to make changes manually, and you can also control which events are logged by the plugin. Plugin features a database security log. Here is the example of some events logged in here, and as you can see, these marked in red are some sort of exploits. This is injection, this one is false registration trapped in the honeypot tweak, and this in bluish color is 404 error. You can filter these events by type. And for each event you have options to ban the IP that is source of the event logged. For each event you can also see additional information like this here. So you can get additional information about the event that is logged. Option to ban IP also, after you do that, if you have several banned IPs, you to actually ban IPs, you need to enable this option for htaccess. So ban access to all IPs in the security log. Each time you ban a new IP, you need to apply changes to htaccess again, because plugin will not automatically make changes to this file without your control. This is also a security measure to avoid any potential problems, and that will allow you to review all changes to this file before it is applied. You can export and later import back plugin settings, so you can transfer settings to another website easily. And you have additional tools to change admin username. This is one of important security tweaks you should do. On this website we don't have admin username, so this tool is not active, but you can also change any username you have on the website to any other username. So you can rename user accounts if needed, because that cannot be done directly. Be careful with this, because once you do it, you cannot go back with this. So, important thing, read the information provided by the plugin. Make sure you understand what each tweak does and how it will reflect on your website. And you will get much more secured website, and all that will improve performance also, because when you ban most of the malicious IPs or user agents that are known to distribute malware, you will get also a faster website, because a great deal of those visits will not come from invalid sources. And also you can get to see how your security percentage rises as much as you can with these recommendations. Most important htaccess tweaks are definitely included here. With this you can stop most of the malware attacks, and these two, and also user agents. User agents is not a recommended tweak, it's optional, because user agent is easily spoofed by the source of the attack, so it's not always easy to track or detect. But request strings and query strings blacklist is definitely a recommended tweak. Also, we have a pingback vulnerability tweak that is caused by this file here, and if you don't use it, you can definitely prevent access to this file, and if you use it, you can limit it to IPs that you are actually using, so only you will have access to it. This file is used by mobile applications that access your website or some other services, and it all depends on what you actually need. Read information provided as for all other tweaks.